loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a grocery shopping haul, sharing what I buy, how I meal plan for my family of 4. If you're new here, I have a little boy, he's 3.5, and my daughter is 18 months, and my husband is Adam. So I'm feeding a family of 4. I shop basically every 10 days. So I will show you exactly how I meal plan for our family, breakfast, lunch, dinner, exactly what I buy. And because we're so close to Christmas, you're getting a little bit of a bonus of the Christmas cookies that I'm making, those ingredients, and then what I'm making for our Christmas meals on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. So you'll get to know a little bit of our family meal traditions when it comes to the holidays. But for this grocery store haul, I'll show you everything I get for just a general, I guess, meal planning, and at the end I'll give you a grand total of what everything costs for sort of my every week meal planning for my family of 4, and then I'll do what everything costs for the Christmas cookies and Christmas meals, because I just want to take those out of the equation since they are special for just this time of year. And because I want to make this grocery store haul and like meal planning very useful, I'm going to link my blog down below, and that is where I will include all of the recipes for exactly how to make the meals then for all the ingredients that I purchased for this grocery store haul. So I hope that it's helpful for you, and if you like these types of videos on my channel, as always, click that thumbs up. I'm posting every day at 8 a.m. now until Christmas, so make sure that you re-click that notification bell, because a lot of people have said that they aren't getting notifications right now, and YouTube's been doing some funny stuff. So make sure you're subscribed and have that bell clicked. All right, so I'm gonna get started with our family's breakfast staples. I personally am not a huge breakfast eater, but I know that the kids love breakfast. So they really like toast, so that's why I have some wheat bread. They love these little mini muffins. I have the Eggo pancakes, French toast sticks, and Mickey waffles. And because Landon has a butter sensitivity, I actually do too. I love using this Smart Balance. It's made with olive oil. So it's the consistency of butter, but it's made with olive oil. So that's what I kind of use to butter all of their things. These I might use for breakfast or lunch, but if we are on the go, I love these fruit and veggie squeeze pouches. Eggs, of course, can be good, especially on the weekends, not usually during the week, but I'll use those a lot on the weekends. And I had to get 18 because of all of the Christmas cookies and some of the brunch recipes that I have to make that require a lot of eggs. I like putting fruit with their breakfast too, so I have raspberries, strawberries. I also have these yogurt pouches. These again are really good for on the go and can be used with breakfast or lunch. As far as milk goes, so Landon loves brown, but I usually cut it with some regular milk. So I will do like 2/3 white milk with just like a little splash of brown or chocolate milk. He calls it brown, sorry guys. And Presley's has whole milk. Then for me, I really like for breakfast a lot of times granola and yogurt. So I love getting the different flavors of Greek yogurt. I think I have a lemon meringue. I think I did 2 lemons because I really like the lemon. I have a banana cream pie, and I got a raspberry yogurt. So I like having that with the vanilla almond granola. Coffee in the morning. These are some of me and Adam's favorites besides my mushroom coffee, but I love the Cinnabon. He loves this caramel vanilla cream, and then there's just a regular breakfast blend. But I like the Coffee Mate. This is Natural Bliss almond milk. It's a vanilla coffee creamer, and I feel like that almond milk one is really good. I have some apples and bananas. Landon has been on a pomegranate kick lately, so got a bunch of pomegranates for him. And then these I just like for on the go if, you know, we're rushing out because of preschool or something, these Luna bars. So I got lemon zest. There's a chocolate walnut fudge protein, and there's another protein one that's chocolate peanut butter. But just so you can see how I meal plan for breakfast, it's muffins, French toast, pancakes, waffles, toast, cereal, whether that's oatmeal, granola, the olive oil, butter, coffee, creamer, milk, and then fruits or some kind of smoothie drink is sort of the plan for breakfast. All right, we're gonna take a fast break from this haul and do the letters of the day. I'm gonna put them right here on the screen. Make sure you write them down for the Vlogmas word scramble. And on the Christmas vlog is where you can put in your entry so that you can be entered in for that $500 Amazon gift card, $500 Spa Finder gift card, and the $100 Grow Collaborative credit, so you can get all those cleaning goodies for the new year. And then all of these lunches are super simple for the kids. I always make sure they have some kind of fruit, veggie, yogurt to go with their lunch, but it's either mac and cheese, grilled cheese, either peanut butter and jelly, or a sunflower butter for Landon and jelly because he can't have peanut butter, quesadillas, and then my husband, he really likes mini corn dogs, so does Landon. I didn't get those because they didn't have the brand that we like this week. And for myself, I usually do something simple like a can of soup, or honestly, I just snack on a ton of fruits and veggies and like peanut butter and very quick, easy things when I'm usually running around during the day. So these are much more like kid-geared lunches. But this bread is still used for that. I did just want to share, I love lemonade. I also love just having lemon water. So I usually get these. Sometimes I'll add fresh lemon to my water, but I love the Sicilia, probably because I'm Sicilian. But some peanut butter, which will be for Presley sandwiches and for some of the baking that we're going to do. I have these singles that are good for the grilled cheese, and these just macaroni and cheese cups. And a lot of times, like, our kids love to snack on goldfish. So I got both the Mickey and these Christmas goldfish. And then just for with their lunches, some baby cut carrots. And I'll use one of these broccoli floret packs just to kind of give them some broccoli for on the side. But then a lot of this stuff kind of overlaps for dinner then too, because the meals I have planned for dinner for us are chili with chips. I have a red sauce with rigatoni planned. I have a chicken Alfredo and fettuccine planned, burgers and salad, and a beef with broccoli. So for the burgers, I have these ground beef burgers, and I got some whole wheat buns. We can use this cheese, and I have planned salad to go with them. So just Italian salad. I'll probably just do like balsamic and olive oil. I have my olive oil here with my minced garlic because I'm almost out of my other jar, but I'll use this with the teriyaki sauce, one of these packages of the broccoli florets, and then one of these, it's like stir fry beef, and I can just throw all that in the crock pot to make a beef with broccoli. And I got ramen noodles, the beef flavor, to go along with that. And then when it comes to the red sauce and rigatoni, this is also one of the meals I make for our Christmas Day dinner. I love making like meatballs with beef and veal, so like it just gives it a very unique taste and flavor. And then I also, in the sauce, I let it cook for about 24 hours on low. I add in some pork chops, I like chop those up, and some sweet Italian sausage. So some of this will go, and because this is a huge like 3-pound pack of beef, so when I just do the red sauce, I'll just make some like small meatballs, or even just throw the sauce right, or excuse me, throw the meat right into this sauce. But I got a couple different flavors just because I like mixing them a little bit. But I got a mushroom, a garden style, and 2 that are 3 cheese with then rigatoni. So we can have meat sauce and rigatoni one night this week, and then I'll do the actual big like meatball, sausage, pork sauce that will simmer for 24 hours and be amazing. My like stomach is growling just thinking about it because it's so good. And I've shared this one a bunch on, I think, like Instagram and in some other videos. I love this Bertolli. It's a creamy basil Alfredo sauce. I just use a package of chicken breast and the same chopped garlic, throw that into the crock pot, let it cook all day. It turns out amazing. And I got some whole grain linguine then that I will serve that on. And then when it comes to the chili, I have these tomatoes, chili beans. I like this organic chili. And I have already in my freezer some ground up turkey. I usually use ground turkey in my chili because I really don't notice the taste different. And that way it's a little bit healthier, so. And then just for meal planning for Christmas, our brunch, I do like a sausage bake, bacon, egg, cinnamon rolls, this lemon ice jello mold with raspberries on the top. It's so good. Orange juice, or we also have champagne, so we could make mimosas. And then that garlic bread, sorry, that goes with like the Christmas sauce. But in that bake, there needs to be a loaf of bread, the sweet Italian sausage. There's a bunch of eggs that will go in that. This is the bacon. There's Colby Jack cheese and cream of mushroom soup. And again, I'll have this like recipe for that sausage egg bake on the blog. Then I just got the Pillsbury Grand's Cinnabon rolls. They're so good. Orange juice. And then for Christmas Eve, so we like to do appetizers, just like very simple, because we know we're gonna be doing like a big brunch the next morning, and then that red sauce that I usually am making on Christmas Eve. So Adam picked out, he loves these pepper jack filled pretzels, and I'm gonna make the buffalo chicken dip. I'll have the recipe for that on the blog for you guys too. And then when it comes to Christmas cookies this year, I'll share these recipes, but we're gonna be making butter cookies, kolachkis, maple thumbprints, peanut butter blossoms, and Italian cookies. And so these are kind of all the ingredients I need. So I'll need one of the packs of cream cheese. I need a lot of sour cream for the kolachkis, lots of margarine, because I'm avoiding butter for just myself and Landon. 2 big things of flour. I have the kisses for the peanut butter blossoms, baking soda, baking powder. I get pure vanilla extract. I really hate the taste of like imitation, and same thing with almond. And I'm a little bit disappointed though, because I did the pre-order for our grocery, and this is like the filling that I usually use, and I think they said they were out of the raspberry and cherry, so they substituted like pie fillings, and I just don't think that's gonna work. So I think I'm gonna have to end up going back to the store before I make the kolachkis and the thumbprints. But I also just picked up some frosting for the cutout cookies. And oh, this over here is for that Jello mold I was talking about. It's like lemon Jello mixed with Cool Whip, and then you top it with the raspberries. You kind of make like a syrupy sauce out of those that goes over the top, but it is so good. And then just a couple random things I threw in this haul. I ordered these fridge and freezer packs because I wanted to do one in both the fridge and freezer, because I just cleaned it out in like a deep cleaning video last week. And randomly this popped up as something suggested, so I decided to try this. It's like a foaming cleaner for your garbage disposal, so give it a try. Okay, so I did not expect to be crying in a grocery haul video, but instead of just like shouting out one person a day, I'm opening all of these cards because I stopped at the P.O. box today on my way to the grocery store, and you guys have sent me like the nicest things. Like literally, I'm like not crying because I'm upset, I'm crying because I literally am just like so touched. I've shared before that like words of affirmation are my love language, and oh my gosh, I did not just expect to read some of what I wrote in your cards. And that's, I just want to say, like, I have a P.O. box, but please don't ever send gifts. Do not waste your money. Like, put your money to a good cause or to somebody, you know, who's really in need. But if you ever want to send me a card, I'm just like literally blown away. Thanks. Oh, good Lord. But truly, okay, so I want to just like say the names of the people whose cards have like touched me. So Jacqueline, thank you so much. Elizabeth Hilling, thank you. Brittany, Patrick, and Camilla Lim. Carolina, Dave, Kelsey, and Mallory. Nayurka, hope I'm saying that right. Kim P. Steve, Heather, Anastasia, and Jackson. Lisa. And I got Amy Darley's card today too, so thank you guys. Like, I'm so touched right now, and just reading like your words and your kind thoughts and prayers for our family and for Adam and for my dad. I'm just blown away by you, so thank you, thank you, thank you. So sorry, I'm like crying over my Boss Mom cup over here. Today's inspirational quote of the day is by Camilla E. Kimball, and it is, "Never suppress a generous thought." And I had to pick that one after reading all of these cards, because you all clearly went way out of your way to even send me something and write those kind words. And whether it is somebody that you see in person that you want to give a compliment to or tell them something you've always admired about them, or somebody that you might not even know that well on your feed on Facebook or on Instagram, leave them a compliment. If there's something you see that you think in your head like, oh, they're great at this, or that looks awesome, share that because I can tell you, like, I woke up this morning, just being totally honest, I have a really big to-do list. I had some feelings of like self-doubt, but literally opening up those cards has changed like the fact that I have a really long to-do list. I'm like ready to take it on because I feel really good now. So your words and your kind thoughts can completely turn somebody's day around. So don't be afraid. If you have something nice on your brain, share it. Okay, I know I promised at the end here I was going to tell you what the grand total was. So for the meal planning, like for a family of 4, how much it cost for all of the meals, which by the way, I typed it all out. It's on my blog, bitsofbriblog.com. Make sure you check it out because I have exactly how the meals are broken down and I have the full shopping list. So if you just want to print out the list and go to the grocery store or use that list and put in an online order, it can be super simple for you. And I did budget in like 2 nights of either having leftovers or getting takeout or like going out to eat. So there are just 5 dinners, but we always do eat our breakfast and lunches at home. But the total, because you're like, that's what I'm waiting for, I'm gonna show you on the screen because I put everything in the online checkout because I just wanted it to be exact. So I think you guys are gonna be pretty happy because it is under $200. So right now I know, you know, prices can vary based on produce and whether or not you're buying organic. And I actually do have quite a bit of organic products in here because I always do organic dairy just because I've read a lot about the hormones in milk and how that especially can affect little girls, but all kids. So I always buy organic dairy products and I try to buy organic like meats and even produce as much as possible. But I thought that was pretty good, under $200 to feed a family of 4 for a week. Okay, and what I really love, I just realized if anybody else lives where there are giant eagles, that's where we shop, you can save different shopping lists on their online shopping. So I just saved that as like meal plan 1, and I made another list that has all of the Christmas cookie ingredients. So next year it will be so easy just to go back in and order everything that I need for the Christmas cookies. But the total for all of the Christmas cookies are expensive, man. $63.74. So see, isn't that cool? You can like make a list and see whatever, you know, you need based on whether it's a meal plan or Christmas cookies. And then everything I need for our Christmas brunch ended up being $61.49. Okay, so I just made another list for Christmas dinner, which is $46.36. So I think what I'm gonna do is just have separate blog posts. So I'll do a blog post for all of the meal planning, and then I'll do a Christmas cookie recipe blog post. And then I'm gonna try to get around to it, but doing like the Christmas brunch and Christmas dinner recipes, I might combine those or make them separate. But I'll be working on some blog posts here for you guys. If I don't get them all up by the time that this video goes live, keep checking back because I'll try to get them up then this week. Well, I hope that this grocery shopping haul was helpful, and I hope that the blog was helpful too, to give you a quick, simple, easy, affordable meal plan for you and your family. And if you have any other video requests that you would like to see, let me know that in the comments if you want me to do more meal planning videos or blog posts or recipes, that kind of thing. Let me know that as well. And I will see you in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed here and our family channel. I will have that linked in the description box too. And just double click that bell to make sure that your notifications are turned off and then turned back on so that they are working. Because I've heard from so many people and it's really disheartening that you have not been getting notifications. So please do a double check on that for me, and I will see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the next video. Bye, loves. Let's go to the bathroom. Oh, sorry, Todd. And I think Kieran from KK Baby J, her elf on the shelf, did the same thing the other day too. So these crazy elves. Feel free to check out any of these videos until the next one tomorrow at 8 a.m.